Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a trick to get a temporary number that will allow you to quickly and easily verify your new Yahoo account. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is go to the official Yahoo website. Once on the home page, find and click on the Create an Account or Sign Up option. You'll be taken to the registration form. Here you need to fill in the basic information, the first and last name you want to use, the email address you want to create, your username, the password, the date of birth. Once you've completed the initial form, click Next. As expected, on the next screen, Yahoo requires you to enter a mobile phone number to send a verification code. This is where we stop. To avoid using our personal number, we're going to use a third-party service that provides temporary numbers for SMS verification. The key service: open a new tab in your browser and search for SMS Man or any similar, reliable platform that offers temporary SMS receiving numbers. Registration: create a quick account on this platform. Once on the temporary number platform, SMS Man, look for the option to receive SMS or get a number. In the service search bar, type Yahoo. This ensures that the number you'll receive is compatible with Yahoo verification. Select the option and click by SMS or the payment button. These services usually have a very low cost per number. The system will provide you with a temporary phone number that is ready to receive the verification code. Now that you have the number, return to the Yahoo registration page. Copy the number provided by the temporary service. Paste it into the Yahoo phone number field. Click the Get Code via SMS button or the equivalent text. In a few seconds, the verification code will appear on the SMS Man page, in the inbox of a number you just purchased. Copy that 6-digit code. Go back to Yahoo, paste the code into the verification field, and that's it. Your account has been verified and created without using your personal number. There you have it. A very effective way to protect your privacy and create Yahoo accounts without any strings attached. This trick also works for other platforms that require SMS verification. I hope you found this video super helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.